he's awfully warm, and he says he's very nervous. So we decided to start with him. He's going to explain, along with Mrs. Gates, say a couple words about the games, or do you want to let Kevin do the whole thing?
Okay, well, I'll just say that this is a problem-solving assignment that we were given, and it involves a number of higher-level thinking skills for the students, and problem-solving is one of our school improvement goals. And Kevin has prepared a presentation presenting his game, but also telling him about the assignment. So I'm going to have him come up next. Kevin Szawala.
Okay, I'd like to thank Ms. Gates for introducing me. And now I'll go to the speech of how we explain this. In our recent assignment, we were to design and construct a math game that helped us learn our multiplication tables. In the first week, we developed and researched our idea, and then we had it approved by our teacher. And we also gathered our supplies. In the second week, we constructed our games. In the final third week, we spent finishing the final details and making sure we had all the required multiplication tables, the pieces of our game, the answer sheets, and the packaging for our game. Required was a presentation that was supposed to have advertising and commercialism to make it exciting. We also held an open house that invited our parents to see our games. And the students were also very proud with their picture in their portfolio. Now, to go on to my presentation. Please, prepare yourself for survival adventure. And this is exhilarating, and I do mean exhilarating game. It's not boring and action-packed. I mean, every time you can do something, either you're forwards, backwards, or answering brain teaser multiplication problems. You get to see a bear, a dinosaur, and a crocodile, and go face-to-face with a terrifying volcano. If you don't know multiplication problems, you don't deserve to play. It's as simple as this. If you don't know them, you don't survive. Now, I'd like to explain my game. Here's my required directions and my required multiplication answer sheet. There's up to 4 players to this game. What you do is that you have to get a green to go first, and then the other players go. Say you get a red and you roll. It'll say 6 times 6 on this. If you get it right, you stay where you are. If you get it wrong, you have to go back a space. Along the way, off the bridge, the crocodile can eat you, the bear will hurt you, lava can fall on you, or the dinosaur can eat you. Also, there's some go-ahead spaces or go-back spaces. Also along the way, there are some problems that have 3 multiples, like 9 times 1 times 6. For those problems, you have to use a timer and answer it before the time runs out. The object of the game is to, after you pass this space, they'll say, take a supply. And the object of the game is to take one of each of these supplies and make it to the finish line. Now, one final question. Can you face the challenges that await you of survival adventure?